Groundhog Day. Every day seems to be pretty similar related to the truck. But I'm standing in front of it, so not sitting in it. I thought I'd change up a little bit. I just went into the office, paid for an extra day because we were only paid up till today, and hopefully get that oil pump fixed now, and then be off to Florida tomorrow. That is our plan, that we'll be there on the 31st here on Sunday, or Sunday the 30th, well, either way, be there on Sunday, and then spend a nice time in the warmth from now on.
We are ready to watch a movie, huh? Emmy got this movie for Christmas and we are ready for that. I'm exhausted. How about you guys?
I'm exhausted.
Huh? Eli.
I'm not exhausted.
Finally did some schoolwork here, working on some letters and reading, and Emily is writing a paper about hamster. Linus is working on a paper about dogs. And Jacob, what is Jacob writing about?
Nothing.
This paper is about what? Jacob, what are you writing about? Oh, he can't hear me. He's listening to something.
No,
anyway, it is starting to get dark again. Ben is still at the mechanics. And yeah, we're trying to get through the day here.
So we watched the movie and now we're playing Skippo. Eli is running around the whole time and Jacob is building with his Lego.
For Eli.
Yeah. For Eli. Reise. Ich habe einen richtigen Laden gerade. Wer du tragst das? Hä?
Hello, 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 hello.
I made it back.
Yay!
It's all fixed.
And we're starving because there's nobody who can cook food for us.
When I called a couple of people, nobody picked up.
No, the problem is there's no internet because people just keep the Alcatel going and then there's no internet.
So since we're gonna head towards Florida tomorrow, Linus, Emily and Eli are already tearing down the Christmas tree. At least that's how Eli said it.
Linus, can I have it? Wait. I want to put the bomb thing. No, Eli, wait. I need to. I think this is pretty good.
Yes, that is
I
good.
want to show it, Mommy. I want to ask Mom that I can have it.
Whoa,
in my
whoa,
bed.
whoa.
Okay, Linus. First you need to do this. Du musst erst diese kleinen Dinger zusammen machen und die dann alle zusammen. Muss man unten anfangen oben.
Eli has a little Lego candy machine. He already made, I don't know, like 87 cents or so from selling candy.
So go sell to the neighbors with that.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yes.